In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma design into Webflow using a new plugin, and we'll do it all in just 1 minute. Let's dive right into this quick and efficient process, ideal for designers and developers who want to streamline their workflow between these two powerful tools. To start, we head over to Figma, a collaborative interface design tool that many of you are already familiar with. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login button in the top right corner of the Figma homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the home page within Figma. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects and files. Select the file you want to convert to Webflow by simply clicking on it. Now that you've opened your Figma file, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on the Action button. This is where we'll start the process of integrating with Webflow. In the Action menu, you'll find a search bar. Type in Webflow and press Enter. This search action will quickly bring up the plugin we're interested in using, Figma to Webflow. When you see the Figma to Webflow plugin listed, go ahead and click on it to select it. We're getting close to our goal now. Once the plugin is open, you'll see why it's a game changer for designers eager to bridge the gap between Figma and Webflow. It automates the export process and provides a much smoother transition for your designs. To finish up, click on the Run button located in the plugin window. This single click will initiate the conversion process, translating your Figma designs into Webflow ready code. The plugin will handle all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, creating a seamless experience without the need for any manual coding efforts. And there you have it, your design is now ready for Webflow integration. You've successfully transformed your Figma project into a format that can be easily edited and published within Webflow, saving you both time and effort in the process. Remember, the key benefit of using this plugin is how it simplifies and accelerates the transition of your design work into functional web projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With this efficient plugin, you can significantly enhance your productivity, making it easier to bring your creative visions to life on the web. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to try this integration out for yourself. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks that improve your design and development workflow. Have a great day.